little drag line. What a drag line is when you pull across to get your color, and because your skin's not taut and tight like when you were young, it makes little dashes and it doesn't get all the color. See right there, it did it? See the little divot? So I'm going to have to drag across it again there to even it up. Again, almost making a straight line, then connect it, go down and connect it. But see, when I look up, look how straight that line is. I could just get that. There. See how it's straight? Or just about straight? And then look when I look up how it looks like it's going. That's because that skin right there drops down, and see? That's why it's like that. It's hard. You got to kind of look at both sides. This is a little thinner, and so I'm going to have to thicken the line up. And the way I do that is go above it just a little bit. Just a little above the line where I was. Because you want to stay right on the lashes. Right on the lash line. So since we've already curled, we're going to go ahead and put on my mascara. And today I'm going to use, actually today I was going to use one of my favorites is the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. It's waterproof, but today I was going to use Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes. We'll do both. Let's see, what am I going to do? Just, I don't know. The thing is, it's not waterproof, so it's just not going to stay. It's not going to hold the curl. We'll try. Tip out the ends with the tip of your wand. Just back and forth over the tip ends. You're just making sure you get the tip ends. Because when you bend the lash, it bends backwards. You don't always get the tip ends. Really look bug-eyed? Some people look down, like get underneath. And wiggle just a bit to get on either side of the lash. All the way to the ends. Now this mascara would be great for someone who doesn't like waterproof and has a ton of lashes. Because this definitely picks up every lash. It's very liquid, but it's very quick drying. It's not quick drying as waterproof. So it will hold some of the curl, but not like waterproof will. I do for a non-waterproof mascara. I wish Charlotte Tilbury would come out with one. This is one of the best mascaras ever. Like, look how it's just clinging to the lashes. Clinging. Clinging to the ends. So easy to apply it. I'm going to go ahead and add that second coat. Just look how it's clinging to it. Make sure your hair is out of the way. Going right under that edge. Yep, I'd say it's one of the best mascaras ever. Save the fact that it's not waterproof. Oh, it's pretty good. To not be waterproof. The problem is they won't stay curled. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I don't think they will. Matter of fact, I'm not going to do two different looks because it'll be different to take it off. So I'm going to use the ends again to tip the ends of the lashes, the end of the wand to tip the end of the lash. And you literally are just going back and forth over the tip ends. So kind of squint so you can get to them. And then you're going to look underneath and come up through them. Make sure you got them all. The reason you tip the ends is so many times when you bend, it bends and gets the middle, and then the tip end, it doesn't ever get to it. So you just have to make sure you tip the ends first. And then you come out to them to make sure they've got coverage. Because nothing looks worse than to look at someone's from the side and you notice that the ends of their lashes are blonde or not tipped. Some people may want that because it's a more natural look, but it's not natural if you have mascara on anyway, so it's not really a natural look. It's less made up to do that, so if you don't want to tip the ends, you don't have to. Nobody can make you. I can't. No one can. Except the Lord God, and He won't. Alright, so we're going to tip the ends again. This way, when I do the lower lashes, I literally use the tip end of the wand to come straight down from the base all the way to the tip end. I have some weird little lashes, especially on this eye over here. They will not straight. They will not go straight. They are straight out. They will not go down. You have to come and almost train them, like pull them down a little. Whoops, I have a boo-boo. So what do we do with boo-boos? Y'all know I always keep hands.